Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to do this video real quick just to prove that I did it the way I said I did it. There are people out there saying that it was manipulated and whatnot. This is the image right here that I did. As you can see here and maybe here, there is definitely detail in this. This is a JPEG preview. If I click on this and it opens in Camera Raw, it will open the raw image. Let me put these back to 0 so everybody can see where I started, because this is actually, I edited it to throw up there and you guys then said I didn't do it. So I'm going to go back to the original image. Okay, so there we're all back to where it originally started, and this is the image that was my before. Basically what I had done is I just saved it as a JPEG and then edited it. So as I did my last video, I'll do the same thing I did. First thing I did is I went here and I moved my reds down, and you can see the image already brings that to life. Brought the oranges down, brought the yellows down, brought the magentas down. The next thing I did is I went back in here. I brought the clarity all the way up. I brought shadows down. I brought the whites, just the whites down. Brought some more blacks into it. Brought some shadows back into it. Brought the contrast up. Took the exposure down. And automatically you can see that there is a usable image there. I then simply open the image. And I think I might have adjusted the curve slightly as well, just to kind of give it a little bit darker. Yeah, I think I might have done a little of this as well, just to kind of bring this over. Just kind of compress that a little bit more. Okay, and there you go, guys. That's how easy it was to take a quote-unquote unusable image that I supposedly manipulated and turned it into something more than what it was, or less than what it was, or whatever it was that somebody said I did.